Today I am going to show you every basic thing you need to know about TradingView like a pro. Whether you're opening the platform for the very first time, or you've used it before and just want a clean, professional setup, this guide will help you get there. By the end, you'll know how to navigate, customize, and analyze charts like a pro, giving you complete control over your trading workspace and helping you make smarter, faster decisions. If you're new to all this, take your time. Slow down, focus, and follow along. Every detail here will make a difference. So let's start by signing in to your TradingView account. Now click on Search or press Ctrl+K to search any Forex pair, stocks, commodities, crypto, ETFs, and more. Let's launch the XAUUSD gold chart. Here is your plain, boring white chart. You can save your hassle and time by following this simple customization guide. So, let's hop on with time frames for your chart. You can star all your necessary time frames to the top of your toolbar. Now let's get rid of those stinky old green and red candlesticks. For that, we need to change the canvas color to anything darker than white, as we are going for white and black candlesticks. Now let's aim to get freshly customized black and white candlesticks. For that, we need to go in Symbol and change these settings. Also, we can change the color of the crosshair to black so that it is visible on our gray canvas. For that, we need to go to the settings again, then to Canvas, and change the crosshair color to black. To learn more about TradingView, subscribe and wait for part 2.